Diwali is here, and here's what you can make on your Diwali party to impress your guests. This is just falafel and hummus in a different way because we are fancy, and they turned out so cute that I just thought that there's no way I can eat them. So for falafel, we are grinding soaked chickpeas, onions, green chilies, garlic cloves, coriander with some spices until we get this chunky batter. Now shape them into a nest and cover with vermicelli for that nesty texture, and they're ready to be deep fried. Now to go with the falafel, we are making creamy hummus, and for the hummus I have listed all the ingredients on the frame. Just screenshot it and grind this into a very smooth and creamy paste. Now we assemble.